Welcome back. In addition to developing one of the most comprehensive camera systems on a phone in 2025, Samsung has one objective in 2025: to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra the most powerful phone on the market. We finally got our first major trustworthy Galaxy S25 Ultra leak, and with Samsung introducing an upgrade to the boss that we'll speak about in a second, we're finally receiving not one but two new camera enhancements that have been long overdue. So, the S25 Ultra retains 4 cameras on the back, beginning with the primary sensor, which has a 200-megapixel resolution. This sensor is reported to be comparable to the S24 Ultra, but it will be tuned for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 camera ISP. The 5x lens returns with a resolution of 50 megapixels, followed by a brand new 3x 50-megapixel optical zoom sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is finally improving the 3x zoom and ultra-wide-angle sensor, perhaps giving them the most significant upgrade we have seen on a Samsung Galaxy flagship phone. Cameras are not the only item that is increasing in numbers. Samsung is bringing back a powerful upgrade from the past for extreme professionals and gamers. The powerful upgrade from the past that Samsung is bringing back, which they haven't done since the Galaxy S21 Ultra, is a 16GB RAM variant, not just any 16GB RAM, but the industry's first LPDDR5 XD RAM, which has the industry's fastest performance of up to 10.7 GB per second for on-device AI cloud gaming and more. This amount of RAM, together with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, might make the S25 Ultra probably the most powerful phone on Earth. According to another credible source, the Galaxy S25 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will contain one of the most powerful GPUs we've seen on a smartphone ever. The 8 Gen 4's prototype GPU can run Genshin Impact, one of the most demanding games on the phone market, at 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second without breaking a sweat. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.